அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the book back evaluations from Standard 7, Term 1, Science Book Unit 2, Force and Motion. Okay, let's see the book back evaluations. Choose the best answer. A particle is moving in a circular path of the radius r. The displacement after a half of a circle would be 2r. A particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half of a circle would be 2r. See, assume this is a circular path. It is a center of the circular path, and a particle. Say example, if the particle starts from here to move, and it goes this direction, and it reaches half of the way, and it is the final position. It is the initial position of the object. It is the final position of object. Okay, so assume this. So a particle is moving in a circular path. It is moving in a circular path. That path has a radius of r. So radius means from the center to the periphery. So it is a radius. Okay, and the displacement after half a circle would be, half a circle means this object covers the half a circle. And what is the displacement? Displacement means the distance between initial and final position. So here the center from the initial position to center, the distance is nothing but the r. Here the center to the final position is also r. So when you add these two, it gives 2r. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, which of the following figure represents uniform motion of moving object correctly? It is option B is the correct answer for this question. And suppose a boy is enjoying a ride on a merry-go-round which is moving at a constant speed of 10 meters per second. It implies that the boy is such. What is the answer? In acceleration motion. From the given VT graph, that is velocity time graph, it can be inferred that an object is moving with uniform acceleration. Option D is the correct answer. How can we increase the stability of an object? Lowering the center of gravity. Fill in the blanks. The shortest distance between two places, displacement. The rate of change of velocity is acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is acceleration. If the velocity of an object increases with respect to time, then the object is said to be positive acceleration. The slope of the speed time graph gives velocity. In neutral equilibrium, the center of the gravity remains at the same height when it displaced. Next one is match the following. Displacement meter, light traveling through the vacuum, uniform velocity, because the light rays can travel with the uniform speed. So speed of ship is not k would in not. How the ship covered the distance is represented expressed as nautical miles, like that. Center of the gravity of geometrically shaped objects or falls larger base area. Stability is attained through the geometric center only. Analogy, velocity, that is meter per second, whereas acceleration meter per second square. Length of scale is the meter, whereas the speed of aeroplane is measured by nautical miles. Displacement that divides time is known as velocity, whereas the speed by time is acceleration. So I think that's all about the book back evaluations. Okay, let's see. It's all interesting. Fill in the blank section. See the first move, second move, and distance and displacement. First move, the it move 4 meters east. So assume if it is east, it is a west. 4 meter east. It goes to 4 meter like that. See, it goes to 4 meters from here to 4 meters east and 2 meters west, opposite to, then again 2 meters west. So here the final position. So what is the distance covered by the object is 4 plus 2, that is 6. So the option is 6 centimeter. What is the displacement? Displacement means the difference between initial and final position. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the displacement. Like that you are going to find the answers. 4 north, here the north and south, so opposite directions only. So 4 minus 2, 2. So here also the distance is 6 and displacement is 2 towards the north. 2 centimeter north. Okay, and 2 meter east, 4 meter west. So here also the distance is 6. whereas the difference, that is displacement, is 2 meter. That's 2 meter north, here the 2 meter east. Okay wow. So the fifth one, move 5 meter east, 5 meter west. That means 5 minus 5, the displacement is 0. That means the object starts from the point and ends again, it attains the same point after the movement, but the distance covered through this movement is 10. So answer here is 10. Here the 5 meters southwards and 2 meter northwards. So 5 plus 2 7. So the answer is 7 meter distance, but the displacement is only 3 meter. I don't know how many of you understand these questions. And move 10 meters west. See, again I will explain. 10 meters west. If the object goes to from here to 10-meter west, that is 10-meter west, and 3 meters east, again it goes to 3 meters eastwards. So, what is the distance covered? 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, wow. 13 meter is the distance. Whereas the displacement means it goes to 10 meter and again back to 3 meter. So displacement means the final and initial position, distance between final and initial position. That means 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 meter is the displacement towards the west. So that's all about this table. So okay, thanks for listening, students. If you are tuning first time in this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and do share with your friends, and do some comments also. That will helps me to grow my channel. So thanks for listening, students. Thank you.